today we've got a very special unboxing. This is brand new Happy Meal toys for April of 2019. Actually, it came out at the end of March, but I believe these are the toys that are gonna be running for all of April of 2019. So here we've got, also they didn't have a Happy Meal box, so they just gave it to me in a paper bag, which is pretty sad. Alright, so we're gonna get into the unboxing. The toys now, this is the kind where they have separate toys for girls and for boys. So for the girls, they've got Barbie, and for the boys, they've got Hot Wheels. So we're gonna be opening these up. There are 4 Barbies and 4 Hot Wheels to collect. I got 2 of each just to show you how they look and decide if you want to pick up either of them or all of them. So let's get right into the unboxing. Why don't we start off with the Hot Wheels toys. So let's open up this one. This is called D-Muscle Tight Turn Round. D-Muscle. Right here is D-Muscle. So it comes with stickers. If you know me, I hate putting stickers. It takes a lot of time. And then it comes with this, which is, there we go, Hot Wheels. So yeah, oh, so like you can put a, I don't know, that's a toilet paper tube or something and make the car go under and then come out here. I don't know, so I guess they want you to like do arts and crafts. But anyway, should I sticker this up? I should sticker this up. Alright, so that's all stickered up. Check it out. This is the Hot Wheels car, all stickered up. I actually really like the look of this car. This is like a car that I would actually buy if I wanted a car. But anyway, you can see the rims are silver, so that's really cool. And anyway, this is what it comes with. It's a turn thingy, so the car is gonna turn. And yeah, like they said, you just make it go down a ramp and then it's gonna turn around. That's it. So that is the car D-Muscle. D-Muscle. That is D-Muscle. Now let's open up the next one, which is called GT Hunter Ring of Fire. Whoa. Ring of Fire. So again, we got the Ring of Fire, and then we've got this, which is like, oh, you're supposed to make the car drive off of like a shoebox and then make it go into water. So like it goes on fire and then goes into water. Yeah, I don't know who came up with these, but alright. So again, it comes with this little ramp thingy. And then it also comes with more stickers, so we're gonna pause again and then I'm gonna sticker this up and show it to you when it's all stickered up. And this is the car all stickered up. There is GT Hunter. GT Hunter with the Ring of Fire, which is pretty hot because it's Hot Wheels. I'm a weirdo. Anyway, this is what it is. So we're gonna put this, I believe you can connect this Ring of Fire somewhere like that. So connect it there, there's the Ring of Fire, and then you're gonna make the car drive off like this. Like this. Go through the fire, and then it's gonna be, supposedly you pretend it's on fire in your mind, and then it's gonna jump in water, and then super cool. So that is GT Hunter. I really like the detail on this car, if you can look at that. It's got really nice, the molding, and it's got different, the plastic is like translucent and the colors are just really cool. So this is a really nice one. I like this one. So that was Hot Wheels. And now for the girls, we are getting into Barbie. Barbie. Alright, Barbie. This is Barbie Surfer. Alright girl, Barbie Surfer. Woo! So here is Barbie. How do I review Barbie? Let's review the surfboard. So here is the surfboard and it's got hearts and diamonds. Hearts and diamonds for the Barbie. So okay, there's the Barbie. She can move like that. And her hands, her hands don't move, so it's kind of stuck, but she can twist her body, and there's her Barbie hair. She's got a bit of an undercut. You can see that. She's balding at the back. Balding at the back. That's okay, Barbie. That's okay. You've got good self-esteem, remember. And now you can put her feet in this So, how do we... Barbie's feet do not fit. There we go. So you slide in her feet just like shoes or something, and it sticks in place. And now there is Barbie. And there we go. So that is Surfer Barbie. Barbie Surfer. Look at that face. She looks scared. There's something wrong. She okay? She okay? Okay. So there is Surfer Barbie. Alright. Alright, that's Surfer Barbie. Now, next one. We are opening up. This is Barbie Astronaut. I'm pretty proud of Barbie. You know, she got to become an astronaut. That's a big deal. Alright. Okay. So, here's Barbie Astronaut. I can't understand what this pose is. Is she dancing the robot or something? She's waving. Yeah. I don't understand this pose. Maybe she's coming back from Mars or the moon or whatever. So there's Barbie. She can't do much. What does this do? She doesn't do anything. Can't even move. Okay, so she just waves. You know, hi to the people, move her head a bit, and then there's the hair, of course, that you can brush or whatever. And there's her face. She's really proud of herself for being an astronaut. Okay, so that is Astronaut Barbie. Not much to say. And then Surfer Barbie. As you can see, they are different. This one's hair is a bit lighter. This one's hair is a bit more yellow. But there they are. So for the girls, that is the Barbie series. So that is it. There are 2 more Hot Wheels you can collect. There's the blue one, and there's also the red one, which I'll show you. And for Barbie, there is a mermaid Barbie, and there is also a guitar playing Barbie, I think. So yeah, those are the other ones you can pick up. So there are 4 Hot Wheels to collect and 4 Barbies to collect. So 8 in all, and that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it helpful and helped you decide if you want to pick up any of these or all of these. So if you want to see last month's Happy Meal unboxing, you can click or tap the screen right over here. And if you want to see another unboxing you may enjoy, click or tap the screen right over here. Please hit that like and subscribe for more weekly content just like this one. And as always, I will see you back here next time as I continue to unbox everything.